Welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Today we are going to do a unboxing of a baby product. This is a baby walker. With the help of this product, the baby can walk unsupported and learn to walk and have mobility. This walker is from the brand Love Lab and I have purchased it in Amazon. I'll give the link of this product in the description box below. The reason why I purchased this product, even though this is almost double the price of other available products, is because of its dual functionality. This product currently can be used when the baby is smaller in sitting position, wherein the baby will be supported all around and can walk. And once the baby grows up a little, maybe 12 to 15 months of age, when they can walk on their own but would want to push around things, this walker can get converted into a push cart as well. That is the reason I went for this walker, and the quality is also very good. So let's get started and see the unboxing. Love Lab Grand Plus Baby Walker, 6 to 18 months, and Forest Journey Theme 1, Safe U-Shape Walker, 2-in-1 walker, and pushable walker base in double colors, more attractive, padded seat, removable for washing, folds flat for easy storage and travel, 3 height adjustment settings for a customized ride. Never leave child unattended, always keep child in view while in walker. Here it says the model number, quantity, price, month, dimensions, and whom to contact if there is a complaint. And same thing here as well. It also says net weight and gross weight. Net weight is 3.6 kgs, gross weight is 4.13 kgs. Now let's open this up. So it has come in the folded position. I removed the whole cover with its contents, which was in the parcel. Now let's see. I'll arrange everything and then see how to assemble the same. This is the base. I think this is the seat. The instruction manual, owner's manual. The toys, the brakes and the wheels. So this is the instruction manual, owner's manual, infant walker and an electronic play tray. Read all instructions before assembly and use of walker. Keep instructions for future use. The child may be hurt if you do not follow these instructions. So this is the parts list. This is the number 1 is 2 wheels here, and 2 rear fixed wheels, 6 safe rubbers, and baby walker frame, baby seat, handlebars, toy set, electronic play set. So you can read all the instructions here. So let's see how the assembly position should be done. First is turn the frame upside down, fix the wheels in the appropriate housing. Ensure that the wheels are firmly pushed all the way into the housing on the down base of the walker. So these bigger ones, these ones come at the back side. Third is this brake blocks. They come on 2 on either side and 2 here. And then step 4 is fix the seat. Step 5 is ensure to clip on the baby the seats here. And then step 6 is put the toys. Step 7, insert the music board. Step 8 is assembly completed. How to remove? Step 9, they have given the instructions here. And how to change the walker shape, like how to change to make it U shape. To remove the back portion, the instructions are given here. Just have to pull the device at both ends back as in the picture shown and make the crossbar away from the walker. It becomes U-shaped walker for baby pushing. See this picture, this is how it will be. At that point of time probably we'll have to tighten the rear wheels so that the baby, even if baby steps on it, it is stays sturdy. And here it shows how to adjust the height of the walker. To adjust the seat size, remove the child and the baby walking frame. From the baby walking frame, pull up the safe button located under the small tray table and rotate it to 90 degrees. Keep the safe button pressed, then raise or lower the small table until the desired position is reached. Then pull the safe button and rotate it 90 degrees again to lock the small table. And how to fold the locker. Firstly, pull down the button under the top tray. Make sure the button firmly parallel to the adjusted device. Meanwhile, press the upper front end position and let's go step by step. First, I am putting the front wheels. They go here. Okay. Next goes the rear wheels. You see there is this kind of thing which should go here. Same way the other side. See this? It should go here. Then there's brakes. You see the brakes? They also have this kind of ridge here. So each of them should go settle in this gaps here. You see the gaps here. So I'm putting it here. 2 on either side and 2 on in the front. Yeah. Let's do the same thing. Front. Settled. The other one. Settled. Here. Settled. And then here. So brakes are done. Next, I have to change this position and lock this in. So this has come in position. Next is the seat. So take the seat inside and then this should go inside each of this. From below. Be able to hear the click. This will go down and get to this position to come in a locked position. Next is fixing the toys. Toys, you see this here, this kind of ridge that should go here. So putting it here and pressing it in, clipped in place. Same with the other side. You see this ridge here, that should go this side. This is an electronic toy for which we got to put a battery here. I'm not opening it since I don't have the battery now. This just has to click here. This is also fixed. And last, these are the handles. So all done. This seems to be very sturdy plastic, no sharp edges, and movement seems to be very smooth. Between the baby and the wall, even if the baby is going to come in contact with the wall, there is considerable gap. You can see I'm keeping it parallel here from this end, and there this will first hit the wall and baby will not come in direct contact with the wall. So safety is good. Cushion is also very comfy. Very, you can see how fluffy it is. The baby's legs go in here. My baby is very happy with this walker and started playing with the toys already. See the overall look of the walker. It's made of very sturdy plastic. There are no sharp ends anywhere. Everything is rounded to ensure that it doesn't hurt the baby. It comes with a 3 height adjustment knobs. So depending on the height of the baby, you can adjust it in 3 different heights. The toys are also very sturdy. There is a giraffe toy and a tiger toy here, and this gives a beep beep kind of tweeting kind of sound when pressed. I don't have the battery right now, so I am not able to give the sound, but it's a beep tweeting sound. So how do you adjust the height? There is a knob here. This knob, you have to twist this and then pull it up and down to make the height adjusted. The wheels are also very smooth, both the wheels. I can just move it around and show you. See, not much of a noise, very smooth movement. The baby can move around without much of effort. Now I'll show you how to convert this into a U-shaped push cart. So you see this portion, this seat portion, and this, if this is removed, this can become a U-shaped push cart for the baby. Once the baby gets older, he or she can push it around and walk. You see, this comes out, and then here there is this knob which you have to push, and you can remove this. The baby can stand here and push it around. This holders can also help the baby to hold and push around. So this is how it works as a go-kart, like not go-kart, as a push cart. I'm not promoting or recommending to use baby walkers. It is up to your choice. I suggest you consult your doctor or pediatrician whether to use the walker for your baby or not. Also, this is not a sponsored video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.